Hello everyone, welcome back to Walk Another Mile. Today I am taking you inside one of the finest luxury stays near the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Hampi, the Hotel Hampi International. This is not just a hotel, it's an experience in itself, a space where modern comfort meets traditional elegance. Spread across a wide campus, the property offers everything a traveler could ask for. Cozy rooms, a refreshing rooftop pool, beautiful views of Hosapete town, and mouth-watering food that will make your stay unforgettable. Stay tuned till the end for a complete tour. Hotel Hampi International is located right in the heart of Hosapete, just 13 kilometers away from Hampi. For those arriving by train, it's a big advantage. The hotel is literally a 2-minute walk from Hosapete Junction Railway Station, making it extremely convenient for travelers. From the outside, the hotel stands tall with its grand facade and wide campus. Whether you're here for business, leisure, or a family holiday, the hotel promises a luxury stay with a local touch. As you walk inside, you feel the shift from the bustle of the town to a calm and elegant atmosphere. The interiors have been designed to reflect comfort and sophistication, making every guest feel welcome. The reception area is spacious, decorated with sculptures and cozy seating arrangements. The aquarium here adds a vibrant touch. The hotel offers 3 types of accommodation: classic AC rooms, premium AC rooms, and the more luxurious suites. Whether you are on a budget trip or seeking a little indulgence, there is an option for everyone. The check-in process is smooth and hassle-free, setting the tone for the rest of your stay. Now let's take a look at our room. We booked the classic AC room, number 104. The corridor leading to the room is neat and well maintained, and once inside, the room feels spacious and comfortable. Perfect for relaxing after a long day of exploring Hampi. The interiors are neatly arranged with a cozy sofa placed by the window, offering a nice spot to sit back and enjoy a cup of tea. A large flat-screen TV ensures entertainment after a day of sightseeing, while the bedside tables are fitted with soft lamps for a warm and homely vibe. The polished flooring and bright curtains give the room a refreshing look, making it ideal for both leisure and work. Each detail here is designed to make your stay comfortable and convenient. On the side, there's a neatly designed wardrobe for your clothes and luggage, while the tea and coffee sachets with complimentary water bottles add a thoughtful touch to your stay. The washroom is modern and well-equipped with premium fittings, a sleek mirror, fresh towels, and essential toiletries, ensuring complete comfort and convenience. As we take another look around, the room feels inviting and well-balanced, the perfect retreat after exploring. From here, several popular attractions can be visited easily during your stay. Looking out of the window, you're greeted with lush greenery, rolling hillocks, and faraway wind turbines silently turning in the breeze. A glimpse of the serene landscapes waiting to be explored nearby. Stepping outside, we walk through the beautiful hotel campus lined with tall palm trees, cozy outdoor seating areas, and charming sculptures with fountains. The hotel building itself stands elegantly amidst this lush setting. On the other side of the campus lies the parking area, a small handicraft store, and more palm groves. Just beside this is the lively breakfast buffet section. After strolling through, we head inside the dining hall to explore the morning spread. The breakfast buffet here is truly inviting, starting with cereals like cornflakes and chocos, followed by South Indian favorites: idli, vada, set dosa, puri sabzi, poha and chutneys with hot sambar. There's also kheer, boiled eggs, fresh juices, tea and coffee, making it a perfect spread to begin the day. Here's my plate for the day: fluffy puris with sabzi, soft idlis, crispy vadas, and a refreshing glass of watermelon juice to complete a wholesome breakfast. Exploring further, we walk through the elegant hotel lobbies and step into the open terrace area. The hotel is well equipped with modern amenities including spacious banquet halls for events, conference rooms for business travelers, a gym, and even a play area for kids, making it ideal for both leisure and work stays. From the terrace, you get lovely views of the surroundings. The space itself feels open and inviting, perfect to relax before heading towards the rooftop. From the terrace, we take a short climb up the stairs and reach the crown jewel of this property, the spectacular rooftop pool. Surrounded by an open deck and overlooking the city, the pool shimmers like a mirror to the sky. It's a space where you can take a refreshing dip, unwind on the deck chairs, or simply admire the panoramic views of Hosapete town and the lush hillocks in the distance. The atmosphere here is calm yet lively, making it perfect for families, couples, or solo travelers. Whether you want a relaxed swim at sunrise or a cozy evening by the poolside, this spot becomes a memorable highlight of the stay. As evening sets in, the entire hotel campus glows under soft golden lights, creating a beautiful blend of modern elegance and a resort-like charm. The grand gate and artistic sculptures stand out even more, while the pathways become alive with warm lighting, inviting you for a quiet stroll. Entering the main building again, the reception feels vibrant yet peaceful, with its spacious interiors adding to the comfort of the stay. Beyond its amenities, what makes this hotel truly special is its prime location, just minutes from the historic ruins of Hampi, offering guests not only luxury but also the chance to easily explore a UNESCO World Heritage treasure. Here we see Hosapete Junction Railway Station, just a short walk from the hotel. From the balcony, you can even spot the station at a distance. The shot then pans back to the hotel lobby, showing how easily accessible and well-connected the property is for Hampi travelers. As night falls, the hotel glows beautifully under the lights, the structure looking even more elegant and welcoming after sunset. Here's a glimpse of the reception area at night, warmly lit and inviting, adding to the hotel's charm. Just beside the reception lies the in-house restaurant. We step inside for dinner and take a quick look at its welcoming interiors. The restaurant interiors are elegantly designed, beginning with a stylish bar counter and moving across the spacious seating areas. Warm lights, soothing decor, and a relaxed ambience make it the perfect spot to enjoy dinner after a long day of exploring. We begin with a plate of delicious chicken malai kebab, juicy, creamy, and bursting with flavor. Next comes a hearty spread of biryani and dal khichdi, comfort food at its best. With this, our wonderful stay comes to an end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories.